The fastest mapping drone just got LiDAR. Bring efficiency to the next level. No calibration needed. Start mapping with a quick 1-minute initialization. Cover up to 360 hectares with every flight and process the data you need on the same day. You've never mapped so fast. Get high-accuracy terrain reconstruction, even under dense vegetation. Trust that your projects are built on the most reliable information. Thanks to high-quality, strip-aligned data capture and a user-friendly Wingtra app, anyone with a little experience can get the needed insights right away. Switch payloads as you need and keep a lean fleet. This is your one tool for total terrain intelligence across construction projects. Wingtra LiDAR. It's efficient, easy to use, and reliable. Hear from our satisfied customer. From a timing perspective, with better results, it takes less time with the Wingtra. The fastest mapping drone just got LiDAR. Contact us now and start mapping faster.